Hey guys, it's Amber from Amber Plans Her Day, and I wanted to come on and do a plan with me for July 22nd through the 28th in my classic vertical happy planner. So this week on Saturday is my baby shower, and I really am excited for it. So this is the invite that my friends made for me because they're throwing my baby shower for me. So I wanted to do something with the flowers all around the page. So I think the farmhouse flowers are kind of the closest that I'll probably get to these flowers, and they're pretty similar. The only color really not there is the purple, and it's kind of different flowers, but that's okay. So I'm gonna use those, and I'm gonna kind of put them around the entire page. And I have more of these, I just didn't pull them out in case I didn't need them. So I'm going to start by doing that, by getting them on the page. Oh, I need to pull out my pages, guys. What was I thinking? I've got a sick babe laying on me right now, so this may not be the best quality video I make, but that's okay. You might hear him talk sometimes. Oops, this one's not all the way in. There we go. Get some of these corner ones down first, because those are going to take up the most kind of space probably. Okay. Let's see. So I'm definitely going to need the other page of stickers, I'm sure. Especially since I want to go around the entire border of the page. Uh-oh. Are you saying please? You guys can't see him, but he's pretty cute. Doesn't feel very good. He just got some shots a couple days ago. Mommy will help. Definitely going to need a second page just to make sure that all of this gets covered. But that's okay. So all of these stickers came out of the farmhouse sticker book, and I have it right here. So there's another page of those flowers. I was hoping I didn't have to use it because the flowers are really cute. And of course, you know me, I like saving all the stickers. But I'm really excited for this spread, and I think it's really a cute idea to match what my shower invite looks like. I saw Mandy do it, who's also expecting. So I'm kind of copying her a little bit. But I'm gonna put that one. Again, there's that one in that corner. So I'll put this one up here. Just needs a little one. You want to sleep? Ugh, why can't I get this off, you guys? There we go. Okay, and then this long one, put over here. Oh, lay down. There you go. What? I love you. All right. I do have one more big sticker. It's like the same one as this one, but I don't know if I'll use it. I think I'll leave it like that for right now. So now I have some colors of stuff that match from both from the Farmhouse sticker book and then a few from Colorful Boxes. Since these two are the same color stickers, I want them on different pages. And then this is gonna have my baby shower details on it. So I wanted something nice and long for that. And then I wanted to write, or I wanted this sticker, so happy. There, with, and then I'll do nope, nope, nope. Don't like that. There we go, that's better. Brand new day. What? And then I got like some mason jars that I thought were cute. These are from the Farmhouse sticker book. So I wanted them kind of around. Okay, and then I have some colorful boxes that match the spread, the color of the flowers. So I want to use those. And do to-do sticker. Since that is there, I think I should probably use a red one there, that's okay. I'll use a bright pink to-do list. And then okay, my kid is now laying on the floor, sleeping. It's pretty cute. I put him down because he didn't want to cuddle anymore, and now he's just laying on his stomach, sleeping on the floor. I think it's adorable. Okay, put that to-do sticker, and then I'll put a to-do list. Thursdays and Fridays are usually my go-to days to get things done since it's my day off. And then I'll put today's focus. Just put it on. This one says today's focus. So where should I put it? I don't know. I'll put this notes one now. Right here. With 2 checks. And then I should probably put these guys down there. Like this. Like the colors are not really like what I would be used to, but I think it's really cute because like it has a lot of colors going for it. So you really can interpret it any way that you want. But today's priority, top priority, and then okay, and then the last thing I want to do is spell out my daughter's name. R-O-S-E. So her name's gonna be Rose. Spell her middle name with small E. Maybe A. Middle name is Elena, so I think I'll just put this A off because I don't really care that much. Rose Elena. And I think that spread's done. So I think it's super cute actually. So it kind of matches the invitation, so it has the flowers all across the outside. It's pretty fun. Well, thank you so much for following along as I plan for July 22nd through the 28th in my Classic Happy Planner. I hope that you will continue to follow along as I plan a happy life and continue to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.